Hello, my name is Martin Buckland. I am an executive career management practitioner. Today I am in London, UK, on the Regent's Canal, which is a tiny component of a huge network of canals that straddle the United Kingdom. It's very historical. Many years ago it used to carry goods. People used to ply up and down, east to west, United Kingdom. Now more today it's used for leisure. But it's a huge network. I have a huge network globally, not just in the United Kingdom. Do you have a network? You need to build your network. I would suggest that your next opportunity, your next career will come through a referral from someone in your network. Networking is a crucial element in your career management. You need to keep it alive. You need to nurture it. You need to keep it vibrant. But most of all, you need to retain those relationships. Very, very important. Once you've connected with somebody, let them know exactly what you're doing. It's very, very important when you're building a relationship with an executive recruiter. They don't just want to know you when you're in career transition. They want to know you when you're gainfully employed, happy and having fun and building stories, accomplishments in your career. So networking is an important element in your career future. Build it and retain it.